Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of introduction to ChatGPT series, and in this video we are going to learn two things. First of all, we are going to explore ChatGPT memory, and second we will learn how we can customize ChatGPT's responses. So without any delay, let's start. So first of all, I will show you that how ChatGPT can remember things. For example, I will type here save x is equal to 2. Later I will use this in my conversation with you. So you can see that, sure, I have noted that you have assigned the value 2 to the variable x. Feel free to refer it to any time in our conversation, and I will do my best to incorporate it into my responses. So now let me type a random question like how to create a good landing page. Let me press enter. So now you can see that this question is not relevant to the value that we have stored in the variable x, but I just have write a random question. So you can see that it is replying me according to my prompt. So now I will ask it another question, that what will be the x plus 1. So now you can see that it have remembered the value of x that we were assigned it in our starting prompt, that x is equal to 2. So now you can see that it is responding me that you mentioned earlier that you assigned the value 2 to the variable x. Therefore, if we add 1 to x, the result will be 3. Sure, x plus 1 is equal to 3 in this case. So you can see that it is replying me. For example, let me type here, you are wrong, the answer will be 20. We know that we are wrong, but still let me ask ChatGPT that what it respond to me. So you can see that I apologize for any confusion, but based on the information you provided earlier, the value assigned to the variable x was 2. If you add 1 to x, the correct result is 3. If there's been a change or if you have a specific context in mind, please provide additional details and I would do my best to assist you. So you can see that it apologized, we were wrong, but still it remained consistent on its answer because we have provided the value of x to 2 already. So this was the ChatGPT memory, that it can remember your prompts, the values in its memory, and it can use that in later responses. For example, if you are writing an email to someone, for example, there is a word that is used again and again, for example, company name or website name or something else. So you can write and store that website name in a specific variable, and then each time that specific value will be used when ChatGPT will write emails for you. So next, let me tell you that how we can customize ChatGPT's responses. First of all, I'm going to delete my previous chat. Let me click on new chat, and here I will write, for example, write an email to my plumber that he have solved the issue of my heater, but that is still not working properly, and ask in that email to fix that. So this is a general prompt, and you can see that it is writing a email to my plumber in its own way. Obviously, when you will copy this, you can change the plumber name, and or you can use the ChatGPT memory. If you have plumber name, you can store that in a variable. So here you can see that it is write an email. Now for example, we want to customize it. Let me show you how to do that. For example, write this in an aggressive and angry mode and limit the response to 60 words only. ChatGPT is not going to do that. Oh, you can see that it have write that in an angry mode. I was expecting that it did not generate much aggressive content, but obviously we have write in angry mode, so you can see that you fixed my heater but it's still not working. Unacceptable. I demand a solution now. Get back here and do your job properly. Obviously this is in very angry and very aggressive mode, so you can see that we have changed the tone of a specific email, and now we have provided a guidance to ChatGPT that limit the response to 60 words. So that's how we can customize the ChatGPT response using information in our prompts. Again, I would like to tell you that when you use ChatGPT, the more detailed and the more context you will provide about your problem, the more accurate result these large language models will provide it to you. So friends, I hope that this video will be helpful for you to learning about ChatGPT. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. If you have any suggestion that how we can improve our content, please let us know in the comment section, and share this video with your those friends who want to learn about ChatGPT, and stay tuned with Fine Gap to learn this type of educational material. Thanks for watching.